Hi guys, welcome back. Jerry Henry Senior here. I wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update. It's I guess a few days later, and I wanted to kind of give you a little, I guess, progress report on what I've been doing, what I've been working on over the last few days. As you can see, as I mentioned in the last video, I got my blog up, got that going, and now the next phase. I took a couple of notes here. My next thing was to get my opt-in page up and going. And the opt-in page, for the most part, it serves as a mechanism to be able to capture leads, to be able to, when you get ready to run some type of offer or whatever the case is. Actually, not necessarily to build, not for an offer, but to be able to build a list. I've heard for years and years and years, your greatest asset when it comes to online marketing or business in general is to build a list of leads, a contact list, so that periodically, a lot of times, that when a person comes to your website and you have some type of offer that you're trying to sell, they don't necessarily always buy the first time. So if you don't capture their contact details or information, then you have no way of following up with them later on. So one of the things that Dean Holland has always taught us is that we want to be very active in building your own list. As an affiliate marketer, like I am, and a lot of people are for the most part, and really it's the quickest, fastest way to try to generate some type of online income, especially when you don't have products, you don't have services and things of that nature. You don't have the time to create all this stuff. You can kind of like leverage what somebody else is doing. So you have to be able to position yourself to collect leads. So the opt-in page, I've got that built. And the second thing that I need to do was to build a bridge page. Okay, the bridge page works. I guess when you talk about a funnel, when you say you're looking at a funnel, an individual comes through the top of the funnel, right, through your opt-in page, and then they go down into the funnel. I wish I had some way to explain it to you or show it to you, but in a sense, they're going through a sequence of web pages on the internet. And the opt-in page is the first page. The second page, of course, is what we call the bridge page, which they can serve a couple of purposes, a couple of things. In our case, it's going to serve as being a value, an educational piece or part of our funnel, because what it's going to do is once they opt in, once they give you their contact details, they're going to go to the next page, which is the bridge page, and they're going to get some kind of training to help them, teach them, show them certain things about their business and how they can actually be successful doing the very things that we're doing. So after I've got the opt-in page, the bridge page, and then again, if they don't respond to the offer or the additional training that is on the bridge page, then the only way you're going to be able to reach them is to follow up with them. And that was the very reason why you got their contact details. Now you can set them up. I use a software called Active Campaign. There's a lot of guys that are in the group that use something like Aweber or Get Response or what was the other one? Infusionsoft. Any for the most part, the autoresponders work pretty much the same. But for me, I want to utilize Active Campaign because it had a lot more features and it was a little bit more user friendly from my perspective. And you can do a whole lot more tracking inside of it versus some of the other ones that I've tried in the past. So anyway, just an update. Got my email software in place, Active Campaign, got me opt-in page done. I got my bridge page. And the other thing was to get the follow-up series, which is a series of messages that go out to the contact, to the person who have opted into the page. So I've got that put up, and I got that. It's like 33 follow-up messages in, and I will continue to add to those follow-up messages as well. Now, the next thing I need to do, for one, is to get traffic to the opt-in page. So hopefully in the next video, we'll be able to share with you where we are with that. And see what kind of success we've had. There's a number of different ways you can utilize from what I'm learning as far as how you can get traffic to your actual opt-in page. So I'll kind of share with you what we're doing and what we've done to be able to get that done as well. Let me know what you got going on. Let me know what you are actually doing. If this has been beneficial, helpful to you, I would appreciate any feedback. Just leave a comment, whether you're here on YouTube, whether you're here on the blog, or whatever the case is. Just leave me a little feedback right beneath this video. Till next time, God bless. Jerry Handy Sr., myjourneywithjerry.com. We'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye for now.